What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing Grammy's recipe for some Casareep chicken. You guys have been waiting for this recipe for such a long time now, and I am finally going to get to deliver it for you all. I was in the kitchen with Grammy and she decided she was going to make some Casareep chicken, so I decided to record her. So let's get into it.
What is that you throwing on?
Garlic.
And pepper or just garlic and pepper?
Garlic.
So Grammy is just going on top of the cleaned and the washed and chopped chicken with some chopped garlic. Now this chopped garlic was some garlic she had already chopped beforehand and she had it in the freezer. She just finds it's easier instead of having to prep all of the ingredients when she goes to cook. Now you see that she has 2 bowls full of chicken. She's just using 1 bowl for Casareep. The other bowl she was seasoning to make some chicken curry.
What'd you just put on there? Adobo?
Ginger.
She put ginger and adobo on the chicken to season it, along with that garlic.
Some cilantro.
You could also use fresh cilantro if you wanted to.
So basically, to sum up all of the seasonings that Grammy added to marinate the chicken, she added in that chopped garlic, she put some adobo, which is an all-purpose seasoning, she put some ground ginger, some dried cilantro, as well as some black pepper. We do not add salt when we marinate our meat for curries and stews because we find that it releases too much water from the meat. We add it while it cooks. Now, if you wanted to add a different flavoring to the chicken to marinate it, feel free to do so as well.
And you're going to toss it up and get all of your ingredients mixed up. Do you let it sit at all? Or do you just cook it right away?
Well, you can let it sit, but I'm going to cook it right away because I have to go to work.
So you're going to let it steam now?
Mm-hmm. Right.
So you let it cook and then...
Steam and then I take it out.
So you want all the water to come out and then dry back up?
Mm-hmm.
So you're going to cook this on a medium-high heat and allow all of the chicken to release its juices, and then you're going to allow the juices to evaporate back, and then we can start cooking the rest of the Casareep chicken. You can add salt to taste, and of course you can add a little bit now and you could taste it later and see if you need to add more.
Turn them up and cover.
So you're going to toss it around and allow all the salt to get coated, and then you're going to cover it and allow it to steam and release all of its juices.
So basically, to sum up this whole process, we added the chicken into a dry pan, we put the heat on a medium heat, and then we added some salt and we stirred it up. And basically what we're going to do is allow it to cook, let all of the juices release, or the rank water release, and then let it evaporate, and then let it brown a bit, and then we can move on.
Once all of that chicken releases all of its juices and they dry back up, you're going to empty the chicken back out into a bowl so we can cook the rest of this Casareep chicken. Once you get a little bit of oil into the pot, you're going to go in with some onions. And you're going to fry up these onions until they're nice and golden brown around the edges. Kitchen is smelling good already, guys. And at this point, she went in with some green onions, or scallions. And she's going in with some extra ground garlic and hot pepper. If you don't want to use hot pepper in this, you can go ahead and omit it from the recipe. And now she's going in with some tomato paste.
And once you add that tomato paste in, you just want to stir it up really well, get it mixed within the oil and all of those veggies, so this way the tomato paste can actually cook and it can deepen the flavor of the tomato paste. And once you get all of that tomato paste mixed in really well and you see the onions and the scallions start to get a little bit translucent, you're going to go in with a little bit of masala. Now, my family makes our own homemade masala. Hopefully, I can get a recipe to you guys really soon. But basically, Grammy's going to add that in. You're going to stir it up and allow it to cook for about 2 minutes so that raw masala flavor can cook out.
And now she's going in with the Casareep. And this you add in as much or as little as you want to, for however dark you want it, right?
Mm-hmm.
She just went in with a little bit more salt. And now she's going to add back in all of the chicken. And what do you do now? You just stir it up and let it cook? You add any water or no?
A little bit.
So you're gonna add like a few tablespoons of water once this mixes up, and then you're gonna allow it to cook until the chicken's finished cooking. And Grammy just washed out the bowl that had all of the chicken juice inside and added it on top. Just a few tablespoons of water to allow the chicken to cook. And she just added in some sliced bell peppers to cook up with the chicken. And now you're just gonna allow it to cook until the chicken's fully cooked and it dries up a little more.
Alright guys, and that is basically it. Grammy's Casareep chicken is all done. This dish is so quick and simple to put together, and of course it is delicious. So I hope you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and of course leave those beautiful comments down below. I'll see you guys again in my next video.
Wait, start eating it. Put it.
No.
No, I'm not gonna record you.
No.
Come on. Alright.